Hi friends! I've got a slightly different video for you today with my most special guest, Ella Bella Bunny Bear. Say hi! Hi friends! We wanted to show you her beautiful little nursery and also share with you how we are using some new and classic technology to make her room more fun and functional for us both. Many of the gadgets you'll see here today could be useful in other areas of blogging life or just creating more of a hands-free life, because when you have a baby needs all of your attention and both of your hands most of the time. Don't you? I am going to focus on more of the tech here since this is a travel and tech channel, but I will link to as many things possible so you know where to buy in the event that you need to create a room like this in your home. You'll find affiliate links to just about everything I talk about in the video description and on the blog post at AMaeTV, and if you use my links, it helps to support the channel so I can buy more video production gear to talk about with you here on AMaeTV.
Say welcome to my room.
So her nursery has sort of this whimsical, natural, woodland animal bunny rabbit theme, and then there's flower fairies and lots of flowers too. Just to touch on camera usage here, I'm using the OSMO camera for these super smooth shots. I think this thing best shines indoors like this because it has a very drone-like effect, and you can never actually fly a drone in a room like this. This Canon fixed 50 lens is another one of my favorites. It has a super large 1.8 aperture, so you can get this beautiful background blur. This lens is fun and affordable at only $125. However, I do recommend using it on a tripod to eliminate any camera shake. We're talking to you now on the Canon G7X, which is my favorite vlogging camera, and I've made numerous videos about it. It's basically become her camera. We keep it in her nursery at all times and just kind of grab it to capture all of the little moments. The low light capabilities are awesome for it, so I don't have to mess around with lighting very much. The flip up screen is awesome as well because it really catches her attention. She likes to look at herself and it gets her to engage with it, except she's at that grabbing stage right now, so sometimes she engages just a little bit too much. Okay, on to the high-tech nursery items. So this is our main chair where we do a lot of rocking and nursing, and once I got past the just staring at her phase while nursing, I realized that it was a great time to catch up on YouTube videos. So I've rigged up this awesome little stand that holds my phone. It's just an iPhone clip attached to a GorillaPod, so it's all nice and propped up, and it's also a great way to FaceTime her grandparents or cousins, since holding the phone and her while doing that can be tricky. Yeah. I've also got these really cool new headphones by a company called Symphonized. I really love the wood. Everything in here is kind of like white and wood, so these fit in well, and I've learned that she really does not like any noise while she is nursing. She gets very distracted, so if I'm watching videos, she doesn't want to hear them, so this works out for both of us. And I actually have a discount code for you guys that you can use for anything from Symphonized. Ella does, however, absolutely need white noise while she sleeps, and I realized that my Amazon Echo Dot, which you saw in my office tour video, is put to much better use here in the nursery. Every night we used to kind of fumble with an old iPad to play rain sounds or whatever all night, but now we just go, Alexa, play rain sounds. Alexa, stop. It's so cool, it's so convenient. It's actually an Alexa skill, and you can do rain sounds, campfire sounds, rainforest sounds. There's so many we've gone through, but rain sounds seems to be what puts her to sleep best. Or Alexa is also there for all of your baby related questions. Alexa, why is my baby crying?
Babies usually cry because they are hungry, angry, or uncomfortable. Are you angry?
No. And since the nursery is supposed to be a calm and quiet and relaxing place for her to sleep, we also just recently got this awesome oil diffuser, essential oil diffuser. It's in the white and wood, and I was pleasantly surprised on Amazon. There were so many options to match like any room. So we diffuse essential lavender oil because that has the most calming effect, and it's also quite beautiful. She loves watching the lights. There's all these different colors, and it also purifies the air. It purifies the air, doesn't it? And it humidifies the air. I've also got this amazing starlight projector, which is super high-tech, obviously, because it projects the entire universe onto the ceiling of any room. And it's got all of these colors. The white is obviously my favorite, and it guarantees at least 5 minutes of entertainment for any child. And because she loves lights, just like her mommy, as soon as I found out I was pregnant, I used it as an opportunity to go out and buy these beautiful starlights which I absolutely love. They were hanging in our bedroom for the longest time because she used to sleep in there, but then I had to move them over here. We are also loving these little fairy lights, the LED string lights. I've had them all over the house. I've got both like the 6-foot strand that's battery operated and the longer strand so you can plug into the wall, which is super convenient because you don't have to worry about the battery and you can kind of just have them on all the time. They're low energy and they're so nice to stick everywhere. Now when you are plugging in a lot of USB stuff, I have found that this wall outlet adapter mechanism has been amazing in just eliminating the USB connectors that you would normally need to plug in something USB to a wall. It is so convenient when you've got all these plugs. This whole cord system would look like twice as much of a mess without it. It's super helpful when it comes to charging cameras too, like the GoPro, also your phone, all of those things. You can plug the USBs straight into the outlet rather than have the adapter, which is awesome. This here is her awesome baby monitor. Of course, this is something you need when you have a baby. I was actually really impressed by this technology in general, and I looked all around at all the different options, did a ton of research, and this one had the absolute highest ratings. It's really cool because it is, I mean, I talk about super low light on my vlogging cameras, but this thing can see in the dark, literally, which is super cool. And it also has like a wide angled lens, which you don't really find on baby monitors, but this one has it, and being a camera nerd that I am, I had to have the best like camera monitor for the baby. Did you know that we watch you? You didn't know, now you know. Just to touch on decor a little bit, I've got this beautiful hanging contraption. This came from World Market. They have those stores around, and these beautiful silk flowers, they are magnolias. I did some research on this because we actually have a magnolia tree in the backyard now that we are here in the South. They came from Silk Plants Direct. This company has a huge database of flowers and plants, and you can actually search by color, which can help you figure out what is best to fit into any room's color scheme. And I actually have a discount code for you guys from Silk Plants as well. So that is it, Ella's super high-tech nursery. I know it's not really that high-tech, besides maybe the artificial intelligence that is Alexa. Ella is starting to know mommy and daddy, but I wonder if she knows who Alexa is quite yet. If not, she will. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. We make travel videos and also talk about the video production gear that we use to make the travel videos. And sometimes we just scream when we don't know what else to say. Okay, ending the video. Say bye. Say bye. Bye, friends. Bye. Bye. Okay, Daddy's home. Daddy's gonna take you now.
Oh, goodness. Let go of Mama's hair. Let go of Mama's hair. Let go of Mama's hair.
She's psycho today.
Why don't you wave goodbye to the camera? Bye, y'all. Gotta say y'all. Bye, y'all.
She's gonna be a little southern
Been
girl.
real nice hanging out with you. I got some sweet tea to go drink.
Oh boy.
Oh yeah.
He had something else to drink.